Yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how I create this animated split screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. This Premiere Pro, guys, I have some different videos, okay, and I have already separated in 4 groups. Okay, now you see this is my first video, it is 1, okay, so then this is the second group, it has 3 videos, okay, and then this is the third, it has 2, even this is the last one, it has like 5 videos. So and I'm going to show you how you can just animate this split screen, depend how many the video you want. So guys, first, what am I going to do? This video, because it is one, just let it as default, okay, and then let me just come up here for this second one. Now this is how my clip looks like, okay, so I just want to put this first clip on the center and the other one will be located here on this side, okay. For now, guys, and I'm going to use the crop effect and position or scale for animating, okay. Let me just come up here on this project panel and then let me just go here on effect and then let me search effect, which is called the crop, and then I have to drag and drop it here on this clip, which I'm going to crop, okay. So just come up here on this effect control and I'm going to crop left and right, okay. So maybe it can be equal, yes, maybe 34 to 34, all right, okay, yeah, this is nice, okay. Let me just give it like 32, even here 32, yeah, this is good. And then let me just bring these second clip on the top, okay, and I just want to also give them like 32, guys, okay. So left and the right, okay, 32, and then here 32, yes, this is nice. And then I have to put it aside and on this way, okay, yeah, this is good. Even for this third one also, let me just also apply the crop effect, okay, and then I have to also give them crop 32. Guys, for this number it is not default, guys, maybe you can use your own, okay, because I was, even you see guys, for this clip it is not the center as well as I can. So what am I going to do? Let me just use this way, okay. So you see this number, it is not equal, okay. Now you see how it is. And then so when I play, now you see how this clip, you see it is the 3 ones, okay, yeah, this is looks really amazing. And then let me just come up here on this, okay, other group, okay. So maybe you can give them, you can just put one clip on the top, other one on the bottom, or you can just use this method. As first one, you can just put one clip from left, other one clip from right, okay, yeah, this can be good. So and what am I going to do for this clip, guys? Okay, let me just put one above other one, I have to put it on the bottom, okay. Let me just, okay, put it like this one, okay. Let me just use this one as the top one, okay. Let me just, okay, let me use crop also, guys, it's the better way to use the crop, okay. And then so let me use top to crop this, okay, and let me just try to put it on the top. Let me just move it up on the top, guys, something like this, okay. And then let me crop the bottom. So now let me just move this clip, let me just move this clip down here, okay, yeah, something like this, yeah, this is nice. And then guys, I have to crop it, okay. So let me just crop on the top here too, even the bottom. So let me just give like 44. Yeah, this is nice. So and then guys, for this last group also I have some 5 clips. So I just want to put this clip on the center, okay. Let me just add the crop here and then let me also add 32, even here on the right 32, okay. So guys, you see it is not equal, okay. So when I try to play my clip, you see even this subject is not in the center as well, okay. So let me just, okay, do something like this. Yeah, this is good. So, and then let me just put it on the center right here. And then when I try to play, now you see this clip, it is in the center. Good, yeah, right. So, and then just let me bring these clips here too, okay? And then I try to reduce the size of this clip, okay? I just want to put it right here on the top, okay? So maybe let me just give them like 50, yeah, okay? 50, yeah, this is nice. And let me try to put it here. Okay, and then let me just crop left and the right, okay, something like this, 29. And then about the right, let me just give it them like 9. No, let me just give them like 7. All right, okay, let me just put it right here on this, yes, on this side. This is nice. And then for other clip, let me just also give them like 50 for this clip, okay? Yeah. And then let me just come up here to put it down here too. And then so let me also apply crop here, and then I have to crop like left, even right too. Yeah, something like this. So and then when I play, now you see. So and let me just add the 2 remains clip on this side, okay? So that's why you have to make your own design, depend how many clips you have. Even to, let me just give them like 50. Also let me try to put it on this side here on the top, and then let me just crop right here too. Even for this side for left. Okay, now let me just bring the last clip here, 50 also. Let me just move it down here too, and then let me just put it right here. Yeah, let me just crop it. Okay, so and then this is how my clip it looks like. So guys, now we still have 4 groups. Okay, this is the first one, which has 1 clip, and then this is the second one, it has 3 clips. This is the third one, it has 2, and then this is the last one, which has 5. So guys, and I'm going to animate how this split screen will just coming, okay, to another one, okay, and then let me just select this, okay, second group, and I try to rename it. Okay, let me just give them like forest. You see guys, it has some green color. Even this one, let me just give them their own color. I can give purple, and then for this last one I can just give them like, I can give like, okay, yes, this one there, this is a real nice. So guys, before I try to combine it together, and I just want to animate it first, okay? So for this first clip, for this second group, okay, let me try to animate. Maybe this clip can comes up, and then this one too, which is on this side, it can comes from down to up, okay, all just comes from each side, just come in, okay. And then let me try to do it. Okay, this is the first clip, okay, this one, and I'm going to use this position. So and then let me add the position as default for this first clip, okay. So then let me just bring back where my clip is starting, okay, and then I have to move it up something like this, okay. And then when I play, now you see how this clip it is coming. Yeah, this is a real nice, okay. So yeah, this is a real good. So and then guys, let me just animate this remains one too, okay. It will comes from down. Let me just add the position as default, and then let me bring where my clip is starting, okay. Let me just move it down something like this. Even, yes, even this one too, okay. let me just add the keyframe for this top layer, and then let me just come here where it is started. Still I have to move it down, something like this. Then when I play, now you see how this clip it is coming. Yes, this is animated split screen. Okay guys, you have to smooth this keyframe. Okay, select all keyframes. Okay, right click and then come here on this interpolation, easy out. Okay guys, now you see I smooth it, so let me just smooth it in this way. So even for this other clip too guys, okay, select the keyframe, you have to smooth it, and then you have to smooth this graph, something like this. Even this one, two, let me smooth it. Yes, okay, let me smooth in this way. Okay, and then when I play guys, now you see how this keyframe is coming. This is a really nice guys. Okay, and then maybe let me try to put it on the top of this clip. Okay, and then so when I play, so now you see how this keyframe it is coming. This is really awesome guys. Okay, and then so let me just also animate this screen, which has two clips. Okay, maybe one comes from left, other one comes from light. Okay, so and then also let me just add a keyframe for this first clip as default for this position, and let me just come up here where it is starting. Let me just put it on this side, something like this. And then when I play, see how it is coming. It is coming too slow. Okay, but it is no problem. Okay, and then let me just come up here on this top clip. It will comes on this side. Okay, so let me just animate it till it comes on this side. So guys, also you have remember to smooth. Okay, in this way. Okay, let me open up this graph, let me smooth in this way, something like this. Even for this first clip, you have to select all keyframe, right click for this interpolation, easy out, and then let me just smooth this keyframe, something like this. And then when I play guys, you see how this keyframe is coming. Yeah, this is awesome. And then also guys, let me just put it on the top, something like this. Okay, let me just put it right here, and then when I play, now you see how this animated split screen is coming. This is a real nice. So guys, let me just come up here for this last group. Okay, now you see guys, it has like 5 clips. Okay, so here too, as I told you can just animate it in the way you want. Okay, so let me try to mix. Okay, maybe this one comes from down here, this one comes from left. Okay, this one comes from up, this one comes from light, something like this. Okay, so let me try to animate it in my own way. Okay, so for this first clip, it is this one, okay, which is in the bottom, or which is in the center. Okay, and let me just animate it. Maybe let me just bring it from down. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and then so for this clip, let me just move it. Maybe yes, for this second clip, yeah, it is this one. Let me just add the keyframe as default, and then I just want to animate it, which comes from yes in this side. Okay, and then so for the third one, yeah, it is this one. Okay, so let me just move it from yes from right, maybe from bottom also. Yes, let me just bring it from bottom guys. Okay, yes, this one too, and then let me just come up here for this clip as default. So let me move it from up, yes, up one, and then for this last one too, I can just click add keyframe as default, and then let me yes do something like this. Okay, so now you see how this animated split screen is coming. Okay, so what am I going to do? And I'm going to smooth it. All right, so just select all keyframe guys, easy out and then smooth it in this way. Okay, for all clips guys, you have to smooth it. Okay, something like this. So even for the third clip too, let me smooth it. And then for the last layer, and then let me smooth this last layer. Okay, all right. So, and then guys, when I just want to play, now you see how this animation it is. So guys, if you just want also, you can just also create other animation at the end of this layer. Okay, so then let me try to combine it together and let me see how the things it is looks like. Okay, so let me just started to put it right here. Okay, let me just combine it in this way. So let me try to put it here on the front, even for this last group too. Okay, let me just put it right here. Okay, and then guys, let me just pray and let me see how these things it is looking. So now you see the second group it is coming. This is the third group guys, and then this is the last group. So now you see guys how you can just create your own animated split screen Premiere Pro without using any plugin or any kind of anything. So just you have to use your own clip and then use this position and this crop effect. So guys, this is how you can create this effect in Premiere Pro. And then let me know if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. I just want to know what you think. Okay, comment, leave your thumbs up, subscribe, share, etc. So guys, and I will see you in next video. Peace.